So are you guys getting the vibe here? This is why you get this under desk elliptical. I'm hanging out, working, and I'm moving already. So we're moving in reverse right now. And just to show you how great and easy this thing is to use, now I have a remote right here, but also we have all the settings right here. I can hit direction and it'll switch. And now we're going forward. And now I can up the speed so it can go faster. Not only that, but we have manual mode, and then we have 6 preset modes that we can run through. So this thing's really great. I'm just gonna be transparent, dude. I was doing product research the other day. Here's the remote, just so you know. I was doing product research the other day, trying to figure out the best under the desk treadmill for me to get. This one straight up has tons of people buying it, like tons of people every month are buying it. They're all giving really high 4.5 to 5 star reviews. And I mean, dude, it's got all the accessories you need. It's got pedal straps so you can lock your feet in place so they don't get lost and fall off. You also have these resistance bands. So you can actually hook these up and do things like arm curls, arm raises, and things like that. This is perfect. We live in a day and age where we're sitting all the time. And we don't want to do that, guys. We want to keep moving because movement is the key to life. And this REPOWER or REPOWER under the desk elliptical is the perfect one for you.